Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and, if you're already subscribed, hit that bell button. We're gonna be heading over to Lincoln Diesel Specialties in a little bit to pick up some parts. It's a beautiful day in Wisconsin right now. We're gonna go ahead and get that truck washed, and we'll see you in a little bit. Ppe 3-inch stainless downpipe. Now I ordered this from Lincoln Diesel Specialties. I called them right away this morning. They had the exact parts I needed. Went over there, picked it up, and they had it ready for me. Again, I'll leave Lincoln Diesel Specialties link in the description below. If you need anything, make sure you go ahead and hit them up. I will leave PPE. I'll leave this exact downpipe in the description below as well. You gotta get one of these. Hands down, it's gonna be way better than what stock quality offers. Now, you may be thinking, David, why? I thought OEM's better. I thought OEM's the greatest. You can't get better than OEM. Wrong. I will show a comparison side by side on Wednesday's video when we go ahead and do the install. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell so you see when that video is posted. It's an insane difference. If you know the Duramax world, if you know the problem with the factory one, you know what I'm talking about. You may have those questions. Well, what's wrong with it? What's the big deal about it? One, airflow. Better airflow, hands down, no doubt. And you'll see again on Wednesday. Two, sound. You don't get that noisy, whiny whistle in the cab when you're driving, when you get on it. You're not gonna hear that anymore with this. And you're gonna have a better, clear sound through the exhaust with this style. Three, who doesn't like working on their own vehicles? Hit that like button if you like working on your own vehicles and having that satisfaction. For $134, you can't go wrong with it. It's an awesome upgrade. Let's go ahead, unbox it, and see what we have. Is it not all about the stickers? Come on now, we all know we order these parts for a sticker. I didn't spend $134 on a downpipe. I spent $134 on a sticker. Now, like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for a part number for you guys. I do have one on the sticker, so I'll give it to you right now on the screen, as well as a link in the description below. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and open this up. I can tell you right now, if you have not watched already, go ahead and watch the up pipe video that we did. We installed a PPE stainless up pipe. Leave a link in the description below for that as well, because I took down the factory downpipe and I did not have this in my possession at the time. And I tell you what, just holding it in my hands, I can already feel the difference of it. If you're really paying attention to the video, you know what to move to the front of the truck. We move to the front of the truck because it's a gorgeous day outside. It's like 50 degrees out, the snow is melting, the sun's out, which in the wintertime, we don't get it a lot, so taking advantage of it. Now, it comes with a heat shield already on it, and you can see the quality of these stainless welds. They just are absolutely phenomenal. You cannot go wrong with them. It's an absolutely outstanding product. And like I said, the heft to this is way better than what you get from factory. We're gonna do a side-by-side for you guys. Don't worry, I haven't forgot about that. It's gonna happen. Stay tuned for Wednesday's video when we do that install. Again, it comes with a gasket, a sticker, and the up pipe with a heat shield already mounted to it. You can't go wrong with the product. For what you pay for MBRP, this is a much better product at a cheaper cost even, which I don't know how, but it is, and it's a better product, it's a better cost. Just go with it. Do not go with the MBRP. It's gonna rust out. There's plenty of occasions out there on the forums of it rusting away. I'll give you two examples below as exactly why I'm not going with it. They don't have pictures, which is fine. You don't need pictures to even understand what the heck happened. So go ahead, go with this product. You won't be disappointed. Again, stay tuned for Wednesday's video when we install this downpipe. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok if you have not already. gonna see these products before the video gets uploaded, a little insight before the actual video. I post on there daily, so make sure you go ahead and do that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell button so you get those notifications. Have yourselves a great night, and we'll see you guys Wednesday.